Here's your chicken McDo meal, ma'am.
Nice! Ganda!
Nice, ganda.
Nice! Ganda! Nice! Sarap!
So much to love sa new and better Chicken McDo. Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier.
Nice! Ganda! And I am Vice Ganda! Nice! Ganda!
The new and better Chicken McDo with rice and McFloat or with double rice and drink. So much to love.
Nice! Sarap! Nice! Sulit! Yes! Nice! Ganda!
Ang dami niyan, ha?
Perfect time for the madlang people.
Even better para sa mga dabarkas.
Let's eat! It's showtime!
So much to love with the new and better Chicken McDo. Much malaki. Much juicier. Much crispier.
Pasosyalin pa natin.
Paano?
Bugs! Chibugs!
Much masarap when shared this Christmas.
O ano, lunch naman sunod?
Busy tayo pag-lunch.
Ayun nga pala. At yung Mac Delivery.
You just pindot-pindot app.
And they will hatid-hatid to you the McDo.
Halika na nga. Saan mo ba pinark yung kalabasa mo? Magmamotor lang ako. Magmamotor ka lang ba?
Gutom na?
Wag nang gumastos ng sobra-sobra pa, 'cause much pinasulit na ang Chicken McDo. Ang mabusugera,
Chicken McDo, irarama!
99 na lang, much pinasulit talaga. Ang mabusugera, Chicken McDo lunch and dinner, much malaki, much juicier.
Much crispier, much sulit talaga!
McSaver, sulit busog meals para
Mabusugera,
Uy! Kain na!
ang mabusugera, McSaver sulit busog meals all day, 99 na lang. Ang mabusugera, for breakfast, lunch and dinner,
Ang Chicken McDo,
much malaki, much juicier, much crispier.
Daming choices, kaya
much busog ka talaga!
McSaver, sulit busog meals all day para
Ang mabusugera,
ang much malaking Chicken McDo, much pinasarap pa. 99 lang.
May chika sa Chicken McDo! Vice? Uy, Vice!
Confirm! Much malaki na, much pinasarap pa ang Chicken McDo. 99 pesos lang. You must try it, pare. Ang Chicken McDo na much malaki na, much pinasarap pa. Confirm! 99 pesos lang. Much malaki na, much pinasarap pa.
Chicken McDo? Wow!
Chicken McDo?
Ooh, Chicken McDo?
Much pinasarap Chicken McDo. Confirmed.
Chicken McDo tayo. Much malaki, much crispier, much juicier, much pinasarap. Sulit busog at 99 lang.
Chicken McDo tayo.
Sarap nito, meme!
So, eto na nga.
Nung ano? Di ba ano?
Ano ka, Sir?
So ano nga? Much pinasarap. Sulit at 99 lang.